Can a blue-collar worker become a millionaire? Of course! In fact, it's probably easier as a blue-collar worker, and here's why. If you go to college to get a degree, you're working, you're probably paying some bills, tuition, you might be even going into debt. That's not what's happening at the blue-collar. The blue-collar worker goes to work and he's getting paid to learn the whole time. So if he starts a habit of saving money out of every paycheck, it's called paying yourself first. Who are you working for? You! And your buddy that went to college gets out 4 years from now with some debt, and then he goes looking for a job. The tradesperson's probably already got their license and is making pretty big money, and it won't be long before a blue-collar worker is a millionaire.